Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can convert an image or photo into a video using Adobe Firefly in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, in the first step, navigate to Adobe Firefly inside your Adobe account. And here what you want to do is, let me just navigate back to the main screen. So here you either create a new image or you go with one from your library. So navigate to your stuff here on the left hand side or to your gallery. Let me go with my generation history here. Make sure that you select images and not videos. And let me go with that example image generation here. So each image generation, guys, you create here on Firefly can be converted into a video. Make sure that you stay in the Generate tab here at the top, not Gallery nor Edit. And what you want to do is navigate through the conversation or chat history with the artificial intelligence, and in the bottom right corner of the given outcome or result or image, you will see that Share Options button. Click into it, and after that select Image to Video. Now then you will be redirected to the Adobe Firefly video generator. So here you may select or customize your general settings, including choosing a specific video creation model, the resolution, the aspect ratio, the FPS rate, the duration of the video, and you may use, as previously mentioned, one of your image generations as a reference frame. You may add also more by clicking into this button, or upload a video from your device as a motion reference that, as you can see, it must be between 5 and 20 seconds long and under 200 MB. Then guys, you may use, for example, various animations and motions here. And last but not least, don't forget to enter your prompt here for the video generation. Make sure that it somehow aligns with your image, or that's up to you, of course, but you can include the given frame here or remove it if you like, and enter your prompt here. And in the last tab, click into Generate to let Adobe Firefly create that video for you based on your image generation. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.